transmitted at the request of the Texas Emergency Management Agency. The Corpus Christi Police Department is searching for Sophia Casso, a white female who is 11 years old. She is 4 feet 10 inches tall, weighing approximately 120 pounds, with brown hair, brown eyes, and was last seen wearing a gray tank top, blue jean capri pants, and sandals. Police are looking for 2 unknown white males. One male has black hair, brown eyes, and was last seen wearing a white shirt, blue jeans, and a large gold watch. The suspect is driving a black, newer model Ford F-150 with an unknown license plate. The suspect was last heard from in Corpus Christi. Law enforcement officials believe this child to be in grave or immediate danger, and if you have any information regarding this abduction, call the Corpus Christi Police Department at 361-886-2802.
47 p.m.